Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can replace a broken exhaust fan. Now first, let's switch off the power to be safe. Next, we're going to remove the cover. So pull your finger in, put your finger in and pull out the cover. Now you should pull out where there is a gap right there. There are 3 screws that we need to remove. And remove the screws allow us to take out the exhaust fan. Now slowly pull out the exhaust fan and let it rest on something. Now the exhaust fan could be hot wire to the power, or it could be connected to a power point. If it is connected to a power point, you can easily unplug it and then plug it back in. If it is hot wire, you may want to choose to use an electrician to rewire for you before installing it back on. Once it is connected, you can see we can now put the new exhaust fan back into that hole. With this particular model here, there is a flap that you can turn the flap, and that will hold the exhaust fan onto your ceiling like so. So here I'm just gonna push in the flap, and that will allow the exhaust fan to hold onto the ceiling. Now you can use a screwdriver to readjust the hook so that the exhaust fan will sit tightly and securely against the ceiling. After that, you can push the cover against the exhaust fan to snap it into place, and then you can now turn on the switch and test out your new exhaust fan, just like so. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.